Jacob's been growing these carrots for a couple months now. Here's the big reveal. Jacob, are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you think they're gonna be good?
Yes. Oh.
Did you just pull it?
Look at that.
Look at that.
It's so dirty.
Oh, wow. Thunder is
Coming.
Thunder is coming. It's trying to
It's one carrot.
giving us a warning here. That's one.
That one's kind of split open.
Okay, yeah, that's weird. That's weird. Split. All right.
Two
Two.
carrots. I really want some big, nice sized carrots.
3.
Oh, that one's a monster.
Oh my gosh. Check that. Help turn it around a little bit. Is that one split? Nope.
That's a
nice
perfect
one.
carrot.
That's a perfect carrot. Nice.
Yes. These carrots have been taking up some of my space.
Whoa. You got a bunch of baby carrots in there too. Those would be good. Let's get that dirt off of there.
There's so many baby
Hold on.
carrots.
Oh, that's nice. They're probably sweet. Cool.
I did plant like
Next.
I planted a ton of carrots.
So what are you going to do with these carrots?
Eat them or sell them or give them away. Oh, they're tangled.
Oh, we got carrots all over the place. Nice.
Carrots and carrots and
All
carrots.
right. Oh my gosh, these are some baby ones. What's going on here?
Oh. Nope.
Nope.
Some of them are way too early.
Is that what that is?
Yeah,
Too early?
some. At least we got one very good one.
That's weird. They're that far behind. That's a good one.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
That's a good one.
There's one more. And it's baby carrots.
Oh, there's more.
There's more.
Babies.
There's a nice one.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, that's a nice one.
No.
Nothing. Whoa, nothing. Something must have ate it.
Nothing. Tiny baby.
No baby.
That's not too bad. And
Let's look up the haul. We got other things growing too. There's some peppers going on.
Come over here.
We got kale right here. We got tomatoes.
I'm gonna pick one.
All right, you gonna show me?
One. Yeah, that one's ready. See how that cut? This is ready.
That one's over ready. It's split. May not be good. We'll see. Take a look at these carrots. Huh.
Not too bad.
These look good.
We got some.
That's a nice one. There's
Yeah,
some healthy ones.
Keepers.
There's some keepers mixed in. First time ever doing this, so we just don't know. Can you can you just replant these? The whole plant is there. I wonder. It's probably not worth it.
Yeah.
Because they were planted all at the same time. Look at the difference. Maybe it's the like the soil's all the same too. I wonder what the difference is. How come some are bigger? How come some are smaller? I don't know.
Yeah.
What in the world is that? Ooh! Alright.
So yucky. Let me look at this kale.
Cool.
Oh, that kale.
That's the update.
Yeah.
Pretty good, huh?
Yep. That kale is huge. I think it's ready.
Kale is ready. Now plants are just eating it, I think.
Yeah. Not plants.
I mean,
bugs.
bugs, I can't talk. Bugs are eating it.
Let's pick some.
Whoa. Whoa, no, not yet. Let's deal with that later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, later.
What? What happened to the pepper plant?
I don't know.
That's a pepper plant, right?
Yep. More like what happened to this purple pepper, Dad.
That purple pepper.
This is red. It's not purple.
This has a hole in it. Daggone it. Dun 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 dun.
Why is this one red?
No. Oh, I think that one's supposed to be mix.
Mix?
No, actually it's purple. It's supposed to be a purple. Huh, I don't know. These are purple also. Alright, let's bring these in. Alright.
Take the carrots.
We're gonna take these in.
Is this one ready?
We're gonna take these carrots in, yes?
Dad. Yeah, Dad.
Alright, let's do it.